In this 3 mark subjective question, in the first optional question, they are directing us to specify the comparative analysis of chromosomal theory of inheritance as proposed by Sutton and Bowry, and experiment result on garden pea plant presented by Gregor and Mendel. For this, we are specifying Sutton suggested that chromosomes are present in pair and act as a hereditary unit, whereas Mendel suggested that factors or gene are present in pair and inherited as distinct unit. For this illustration, we are getting 1 mark. Sutton gave the idea that different chromosomes have different gene, and in this way, he explained the law of independent assortment, whereas Mendel not told about law of independent assortment. For this illustration, we are getting another 1 mark. Sutton specified homologous chromosomes segregates during meiosis process, whereas Mendel specified the factors are getting segregated during gamete formation. For this illustration, we are getting another 1 mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 3 mark demand of this first optional subjective question. In this 3 mark subjective question, in the second optional question, they are directing us to explain linkage and recombination as put forth by T.H. Morgan based on his observation with Drosophila melanogaster crossing experiment. For this, we are specifying the physical association of gene on a chromosome is exactly indicating linkage. For this illustration, we are getting half mark. Two genes did not segregate independently of each other. For this illustration, we are getting another half mark. The phenotypic ratio, what we obtained is 9:3:1. For this specification, we are getting another half mark. The recombination is exactly indicating tightly linked gene tend to show fewer recombinant frequency. For this illustration, we are getting another half mark. Loosely linked gene shows higher percentage of recombinant frequency, that is 37.2%. For this illustration, we are getting another half mark. In the second sub question, they are directing us to specify on which basis Alfred Steuben explained gene mapping system. For this, we are specifying he used the frequency of recombination between gene pair on the same chromosome as a measure of distance between the gene and mapped their position on the chromosome. For this illustration, we are getting half mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 3 mark demand of this subjective question.